Raven, it's been how many months since I've done this? Is this thing on? So it's the day after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. I know that it's a strange one for sure, and it's just been a long year. So I hope that, I don't know, it's just crazy. I was just telling Joe, like, it makes me sad thinking of all the people that have passed away this year with everything going on that we've lost. Not me personally, but just people that I know, and then stuff you see on the internet and in social media. So I hope you guys did have a good Thanksgiving. I just hope you had some time with family. If that was doing something virtually, just making a phone call and talking to them. I can't believe it's almost the end of the year, guys. So I've wanted to make a video on my channel for quite some time now. I know it's like, where the hell have you been, Sam? And I have been struggling mentally. I've been busy with my jobs. It's just been, I'm still here. I'm hanging on for dear life, but I'm still here. I thought I would go ahead and make a vlog for today. Eventually, I'm going to have a little bit more free time to get back into making videos for my channel. I've thought about making a new channel because I kind of want to make other videos besides just like about my Halloween happy life. Is it happy though? My Halloween lifestyle things. Such a big fan of music and pop culture and just all sorts of stuff. So I've thought about doing that. I don't know. I don't have any like for sure plans or anything like that. It's just something I've been thinking about for quite some time now. I haven't posted anything on Instagram for the whole month of November. I just needed to kind of take a break. It's not that serious. I mean, it is, but it's not. Some of you guys have messaged me saying, "Are you okay, Sam? We haven't seen you post anything on social media." Like I said, I'm hanging on. I'm surviving. I'm still here. I wanted to go ahead and take the month of November off for sure and posting. My other jobs have to deal with social media and marketing and all that stuff, so there has been quite the feeling of burnout, unfortunately. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We just had breakfast. Joe went to go get a new tattoo, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of work. Raven is right below me. So we're just going to be paddling around the house. I'm going to get ready for the day. I wasn't going to, but it really does help me, and I have no idea if this is in focus. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the day. I wasn't going to. I kind of just wanted to stay in my sweats, although I might get back into sweats after I shower for the day, but it really does help me. Kind of reminds me that I do have the mental capacity to take care of myself, so I better do that. Wow, I was just talking to you guys for like 10 minutes and noticed I wasn't even recording. I was rambling on telling you guys about my little office. I've kind of rearranged the desk a little bit. I moved this guy. I'm gonna like redo this wall, I think, just kind of switch it up a little bit. Gonna move this vision board over. I might take it off of this wall. I'm not really sure because before it was like the center of the wall, but since I have these two pieces here now, kind of looks a little thrown off to me. I tried to have them separate to have a workspace and then also a crafting space, but it ends up taking too much wall space, and that's why I would always have, one desk against the wall, and then desk number 2 would come out in an L shape, and then you would have to walk around it because it would free up some wall space, But I definitely want to keep this open, and my battery's gonna die. What the heck? I'm gonna charge my battery up for a little bit. I'm gonna get some work done, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Like in a horror film? Like in every... Yes, when they look...
Alright guys, so it's a little bit later. The battery's charged up. So I'm still working right now. What I'm doing is we're promoting like a lot of the local businesses this holiday season for like a shop small thing. I sent out an email to some of our members to see what they were promoting, so I'm just scheduling posts for that on social media. I don't know if you guys are aware of Sweet Boys. It's Garrett and Andrew. They're known from another YouTube channel. But yeah, they started their own podcast and it's kind of funny. It's just very like rambly, all over the place. Just something that you don't need to pay attention to a lot. Sometimes when I'm working, I like to listen to not only music, but there's like several podcasts that I actually listen to, like Whitney Cummings. I listen to Wild Till 9, which is done with Lauren, also known as Laura DIY here on YouTube, with her very handsome boyfriend. Murder podcast and whatnot. It's only their second episode, but this one I like because you don't have to pay attention to it too much. It's just like background noise. I can't work in silence. It kind of, I don't know, my mind tends to spiral. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's currently 3:16. I don't even remember what I was talking about when I started the first of this video with vlogging. It's pretty gloomy outside. I need to turn on my Christmas tree. Let me go do that. Okay, that's better. Recently got a Keurig. Target had them on sale for like $50, I think. I got the size, it's like the college dorm room size, I like to say. It's just the small one where it only does a cup at a time. You have to put the water in each time. I was thinking with this, it would, I don't know, because usually if I make a pot, I drink the whole pot, which is technically on the pot it says you're drinking like 12 cups, but I feel like it's really 3 or 4 cups. Maybe that's a lie, I tell myself. I don't know. I was hoping that this would kind of slow down my coffee intake. I don't know if that's making like everything worse, like my brain and stuff, my thoughts, but I probably have about 2 to 3 cups most days. I like it so far because you can do different kinds of coffees. I don't feel bad for buying 3 different bags and then you kind of have to use them in a certain amount of time before they go bad. Say is with the Keurig, the K-Cups, I do feel bad that it's like such a waste of plastic, so I'm going to get, I know I can recycle them, which I recently just found out that we had a recycling bin down in our apartment area, like in the storage area, which I never knew. I'll have to show you like my current coffee that I'm drinking. I love coffee so much, you guys know that. Currently I'm burning a Bath and Body candle. I do have candles that I get from local makers here in town, but they're so good that I feel guilty for burning them. These are just like really not that expensive. I usually get them on sale and I burn through them super fast. Like my luxury candles, my handmade candles, I feel like those are like a special little treat that I burn during special occasions. And another update is, so I can't decide what I want to do to my hair. I want to get it done for my birthday that's coming up, just kind of a little treat to myself, but I haven't decided yet. I like the blonde sometimes. Right now it looks a little cooler than it normally looks, like it's picking up on the cool side, so I like that. But it's just the blonde that was underneath when my hairstylist had to bleach it to do the like orange and yellow and like the Halloween hair and the candy corn hair and whatnot. I'm not really sure what I want to do. I feel like when I have those colors, I feel like more like myself, and I really love that because it's just another way to express myself. I tend to wash my hair a lot, although when I started coloring it with those colors, I did stretch out the shampoos longer, so that was good. But my scalp is just so dry. I think I need to go see like a dermatologist or something for my scalp because I have such bad dandruff. It's so bad, guys. My scalp does not feel like my scalp, if that makes sense. So I might just kind of tone the blonde during winter, and then once spring starts, I might do something fun again. Raven is still being a good girl. She's laying down on her new rug. She loves this rug so much. It's so sweet. And that is a dollhouse that I wanted to do as a winter project. I know I told you guys last year I picked up another dollhouse and I want to make them into Halloween houses. But I found this huge one. It's humongous on the street here in Salem. And I was like, it's free. It's so big. So I'm hoping, I don't know, maybe that's something we can do this winter. We'll see. But just kind of hanging out there, it makes me feel like a little kid. I'm jittery now with all of my coffee intake, and I'm just gonna work for a little bit and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I need to feed Raven. Are you hungry, girl? You ready for a din-din? I am too. Huge mess, guys. If you could only see all of the messes in the apartment. It's a disaster, but I'm going to conquer it one project at a time. I'm talking about all the stuff that's over there. I'm gonna do the dishes right now. Because they like are starting to stink really bad. Also, Joe's aunt got us these little grass growing kits. You just water them and you grow little spooky grass. My mom loved having plants and I just I like it. I have a few plants. I don't know a lot about plants, but I'm hoping that it will kind of just give me something to focus on, something that's calming, good energy. We put up the Christmas tree. This is what it looks like so far. I went ahead and put the ornaments on it first, but I wish I had had some ribbon at the moment to kind of jazz it up a little bit. That was something that my mom would always do to our trees. Can't find the cream ribbon that she would use. This wooden star that I got a while ago, its purpose isn't for a tree topper, to be a tree topper, but I use it as one. Part Halloween and then part Christmas. It's a disaster in here. So recently purchased a rug for out here, which is really nice. It just makes it so cozy. I love it so much. Did some of this that I had previously. If you guys are looking for Christmas decor, I highly recommend going to thrift stores. Before I moved to Salem, I had tons of Christmas stuff. I actually do love Christmas so much. It makes my heart so happy, just like Halloween. My mom always made it really special for us, and it's just very like warm and cozy. Everyone's always so happy. So much decor that I just had to donate because I had too much of it, and in the moment I was just trying to get rid of all of my stuff, but I really do regret not hanging on to it. But I kept most of the important things that kind of had some attachment and memories attached to it. Anything that my mom would put out and use, I kept that stuff. But man, I love decorating for Christmas too. I wanted to do like a Halloween Christmas theme, but I just didn't have enough time or enough energy of trying to plan that out and do it, whereas I just rather use my energy that I do have to kind of sort through things and get organized for 2021. Definitely check your local thrift stores because I had so many of these trees that I would just buy for a few bucks, and then you put lights on them, ornaments, stagger them around your house. It looks really nice. This area I'm still not done with, but it's like Halloween Christmas. I know, I need help. So now all these little ashes, I still need to do something with them. And then her little collars and stuff. So we're still working on this area. Put a little table over there. A little update on the apartment situation. You're gonna judge me. It's embarrassing. This has been my life for the past few months. Although I do clean it like every few days, it still gets so messy so fast. This is what I'm dealing with in the bedroom. Finally got some side tables though, so we're kind of slowly getting there. We're getting organized. Just a lot of clothes, my old Halloween tree, bunch of Halloween stuff that I still want to do some videos on because you guys were curious to see what I bought this Halloween season. Get rid of this TV, it doesn't work anymore. I have all of these shelves. Don't want to have stuff just to have it anymore. But yeah, that's what we're going to be working on soon on my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Again, thank you so much for being so patient. We're gonna get back to it, guys, and I just hope that you can understand. I know you guys will understand. You guys are so sweet and so supportive and very understanding. I know that you guys can tell like when I hint that I'm having issues and problems, if I'm not quite ready to open up about it, but I just hope that this year ends soon because I'm so tired of it. I hope next year's a better year. Like, I just want to get back to feeling like myself. I don't know. I just hate how my brain is right now. Like, it's just a lot going on in my head and I hate it. But yeah, I'm not going to get too emotional for this video. I just wanted to update you guys, let you know I'm still here. I still see your messages and I try to reply as best as I can. But yeah. Thanks for watching and thanks for being patient, and let me know how you guys have been doing. What are you looking forward to, I guess, for the month of December? My birthday is next month, so that gives me a little bit of glimmer, and I hope that I can continue kind of just working on some stuff and just feeling better about life, you know? If you guys want to follow me on my social media, feel free to do so. All of the links are listed down below, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. I love you guys so much. I've missed you so much. I think about you all the time. I hope you know that. And I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!